In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to turn on Fortnite voice chat. In order to turn on Fortnite voice chat, you just have to follow these steps. Now, depending on your device, the instructions for enabling voice chat for Fortnite may differ slightly, but you could do this by actually launching the Fortnite and navigating to the game settings. So after which you then will take into this section where you need to click the speaker icon at the top part of the screen. As you do it, so then you'll be able to see the menu bar. So shift the toggle next to the chat or voice chat to turn it on. And as you do it, so optionally adjust the sound quality, subtitle and other settings on PC. You can also select the audio input and output devices as well. And by following the on-screen prompt, you should be able to fix or you should be able to enable voice chat on your Fortnite. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.